In case study 1, in the output data, actually this .com is not coming full. And one of the students pointed out that this is not coming out full and I should explain why it is happening. So let me try to explain you why it is happening, and then I'll also explain you how to get rid of that. So understand why it is happening. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do the whole step once again and I'll explain you why it is happening. So when you run the first code and import it, and now you look at the contents, what you realize that this email ID has come like a 21 character field. It has come like a 21 character field. Next time when you are going in the list B and when you are doing, this has come like a 23 character field. Let me show it to you. So this has come like a 23 character field. And when you are merging these two data sets here, directly, what is happening, it is by default taking actually from data set 1, and that's where it is getting truncated. So what is the way out? The way out is that what you do now, this time define the length and let's make it of 32 character. So let's say now if I run this list B, this will have the uppercase email ID and that will be of 32 character. Let me show it to you. So when you do it, you can see the contents. It has come like 32 character uppercase email ID. The email ID is still 23 and this will obviously get truncated when we'll merge, but this is like 32 now. Now look at the second part. Again, the second part I am doing very much the same way. Now I have merged this here again. I have defined 32, here again I have defined 32. So when I'll merge these two data sets, this time up email ID will not get truncated. So first let me sort both the data by upper email ID. Please keep in mind I have not defined the format of email ID, so that will get truncated but not the upper email ID. So this won't get truncated but this will get truncated. So I have done it for both the data set list A and list B. Now let me just repeat the same code, not A and B. So this time when you'll see the output, this up email ID has come correctly. However, this has not come correctly because it has taken actually from the format from data set A, which it was 21 character. That's why it got truncated.